Here's a gorgeous little waterfall along the side of Highway 30, just outside of the town of Rainier, about, maybe 3/4 of a mile. I think this would be rather low quality, but you can see raindrops dripping through off the tree leaves. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not wearing kind of boots that I could get through there easily. I'm wearing deck shoes. I need to make a point of going back there someday soon. Oh, maybe even now. I'll shut this off and try again. That's a little bit of a hike back there. Maybe I won't shut it off. Looks like there's no trail. But there's a bit better of a view. There, how do you like that? Party has a picture. Yep, absolutely gorgeous. I bet that water is just clean and sweet as can be. You see there's a little bit upper falls, and it even goes further. This would definitely not be a real good place to hike back without boots. There's a lot of raspberries growing around, stickers and thorns. That's probably one of Mother Nature's ways of saying, don't get too close, but look anyway. I can almost hear the water, but it would take serious boots to get to it. I'll have to come back on a better day, or I should say a day when I'm prepared. I haven't even been watching where the camera's pointing, but there's a lot of thicket to have to walk through. Isn't that nice? If there wasn't so much traffic right now, you'd be able to hear the water. I can hear it. Anyway, love everybody. Talk to you later. And now what do we have here? Two-lane high-speed highway, and there's my ratty old truck and rush hour traffic coming from Portland. Well, that's enough of that for now. Bye-bye, everybody.